Hey guys, Noah from Stage 3 on the bench here with the Edge Evolution CTS tuner for gas vehicles. We're going to do an unboxing on this device and also give you a rundown of all the features. First, just make sure you hit subscribe, click that little notification bell, and let's jump right into it. You've got an instruction manual right off the top, decals and warning labels, all the things you need to know for actually programming your vehicle, quick install guide, a lot of good stuff in there. And then of course, the device itself, nicely packaged into this foam and has a little protector over the screen, ports on the back and everything. So we'll put that up here. And then underneath, we've got another box here. That is the standard little suction cup mount that these tuners come with. That's super handy to stick either to a little pad on your dash or stick to your window so you can mount that up. And then we've got a couple different cables here, the actual OBD2 connection cable, as well as a USB cable to connect to your computer. And then some zip ties if you want to permanently run your lines and get them tucked out of the way. That way they're not draped over the dash. And that is everything. Jumping more into the device specifically, let's talk about some of the features. So the Evolution CTS2 is one of the nicest and most well-equipped tuners that Edge makes. As you can see, you get basically a 5-inch color touchscreen here that is pretty handy, makes it quick. There's not any extra buttons or things to break. It's all very intuitive, as well as some simple ports on the back. You can see it has the clip to mount it to the suction cup, then your HDMI plug-in, which is going to connect to the OBD2 cable to actually run it into the vehicle, as well as another port if you have a backup camera, you can plug that in, and then a USB on the bottom, which will allow you to connect to your computer to basically update via the internet with the newest software available. Some other neat features of this device are the ability to obviously run those live gauges on here, but they can all be customized for different colors, different styles. You can program which gauges you want to show up where and really get the device set up specifically to what you like and what information you want to see on your truck, which is really neat. Definitely makes it unique compared to some of the other tuners on the market that are just kind of a standard run-of-the-mill layout. You're also going to have the ability to do some data logging with this and monitor live vehicle info, as well as reading and clearing diagnostic trouble codes if you've got any sort of check engine light on your car. So that gives this a whole nother area of utility, even outside of just tuning the truck. Now that leads into obviously the most important part of why you'd want one of these, and that is the actual tuning itself. Now, the way Edge has it set up is this will come pre-programmed with a couple different tunes that'll work on your vehicle. So you'll enter in the specific information for what actual engine type and model that you're running, and then Edge will program the tunes specifically to that vehicle. Now, what you're getting is essentially your option of like performance tune, towing tune, economy, and some variations within those to get something that's going to fit for how you want to use the vehicle. So if you're towing with your truck and pulling a boat, you can run some of their towing style tunes. If you're just looking for more daily drivable performance, that's going to be an option. Or if you want to increase fuel economy, they do have tunes that'll work for that as well. On top of that, Edge also allows for a little bit of fine tuning where you can tweak different things for your shift points and shift firmness, as well as adjusting on some vehicles for different gears if you put them in, or different tire sizes, which can be very handy if you upgrade to a larger off-road tire and want it to calibrate your speedometer. It does have that capability. And finally, as I mentioned before, this is compatible to be updated over the internet, so you can use this USB cable connected to your computer, and through Edge's software, you'll be able to download the newest and best software for this tuner, which keeps it up to date and keeps you out of the realm of buying something and then feeling like the next year you're already out of date and don't have the best available on the market tunes or best software. One last little side note about this tuner is that it is also EAS compatible, which is Edge's expansion system to add different accessories in or different sensors. So if you do have an EAS kit you want to buy and run with this, it'll plug in and you'll be able to get that extra functionality using that system. So overall, the Edge CTS2 is an excellent way to tune your vehicle and get some awesome diagnostic features, as well as monitoring gauges and neat things like that. So if you want to pick up one of these for your vehicle, you can head down to the description below. We'll have some links there for you, and we'll see you guys next time.